call this consistent returns. Let's take a look now at 5 stocks that are poised to rise more than 20% for the 3rd straight year. They are A.O. Smith, Broadcom, DXC Technology, Northrop Grumman, and NVIDIA. Any of these names still worth your money after those kinds of returns? Ari Wald with Oppenheimer, Boris Schlossberg, BK Asset Management. Ari, I don't care what's happened. And what I know has happened is those stocks have probably made their investors a lot of money. We care about what's going to happen. When you look at those names and look at your charts, are there any, one, two, a couple, that still look like they could profit down the road?
Brian, I think all 5 are a great example of the persistence of market leadership, which is the backbone to a momentum-based investing, which is what we do. So as long as these stocks still screen favorably in our momentum work, and for the most part they do, they still have bullish trends, they've been leadership, we think they're still worth a position in your portfolio. The name that stands out here from this list is Broadcom with the Avago ticker, AVGO, because it's the one that's probably the most tactical. It hasn't made any upside progress since June. Through that period, the stock has traded between $230 support and $260 resistance. We think it's much more likely to get the breakout to the upside, given the positive momentum, given the rising 200-day moving average, and also given top-down tailwinds from what we see as a relatively and broadly strong tech sector and semis industry. We like Avago. We think it breaks higher. Okay,
look at Broadcom. Boris Schlossberg, Ari Wald going with Broadcom, although he said all 5 charts look pretty good. Obviously they have. They've had a heck of a run. Are there any names of those among those that stick out to you?
So, I kind of agree with Ari on this one. I took a look at this, and basically sort of the natural investment instinct is to say, oh, there's going to be a reversion to the mean. These stocks are going to come in. But the fundamental story behind all of these stocks are still very positive, be they in infrastructure, be they in semiconductors as Broadcom, and NVIDIA is basically a play on Bitcoin at this point. So all of the momentum behind them still remains relatively positive. Their underlying businesses look quite promising. I think you got to continue to stay with them until they don't sell it unless it breaks, I guess, is the motto with all these stocks.
Okay, Ari Wald, Boris Schlossberg, quite a run for some of those names. NVIDIA we know, Broadcom maybe we know. A.O. Smith, might have to get them on Power Lunch soon, guys. Appreciate that. Kind of an unknown name, now well known. Thank you both. Folks, as always, thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.